gentlemen, today I have everyone. Can you guess what kind of this? What's its name, everyone? It is a nose of cow, everyone. Like this. This is a nose of cow, everyone. So today I will cook it to eat for my dinner. So start to cook with me. We do like this to reduce the hair of nose of cow. Add water. Then we add truffle lamb, garlic, red garlic, chili, galanga, salt, add some cheese, sugar. For the last, we add our nose of cow. So now we take our basil to make chili sauce for it with our nose of cow. Take it like this. I think it's enough for our chili sauce. We bake it. And then we continue to cook. We cut our basil to be smaller for make soy sauce. Cut it to be smaller. Red garlic, we cut it to be smaller like this. Chili, add some cheese, sugar, soy sauce. It looks like so yummy. Wow. So everyone, wait for it test. I'm going to tell you guys. Then we merge it. Wow. Why it look like so delicious like this? So now it's already cooked, so we can eat. We get it out of fire like this. We cut it to be smaller for easy to eat. Our soy sauce look like so yummy, so we eat it with our nose of cow. The best taste. It really yummy. It really spicy because of jelly. So now I think it is the time to say goodbye everyone, but don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about amazing food like this everyone. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for support me by subscribe my channel. Goodbye.